Hello everyone, I am Cyrus and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to discuss friends top 5 applications of the day. So this is a kind of series which I'm going to start very soon. So every day I'll try to come up with a new Android applications of the day, and I'll try to describe about them as well. So make sure to join my Telegram group. I'll try to post all the links in my Telegram group as well. So every day I'll be trying to come up with another wallpaper application as well. So this video will be containing one wallpaper application and the 4 Android applications. So we'll see friends what are those things as well in this complete video. And in case if you're interested to watch this kind of series, so make sure to hit that like and also make sure to comment below as well. And let's start with the first live wallpaper application which is running in the background. And even I'll be discussing about this music equalizer as well in this video. So make sure to watch till entire video friends. And this is a live wallpaper which is called this application friends, which is a sunrise free live wallpaper which is available for free. As you can see in the background, these are the wallpaper work. So when you tap on the birds, so they go faster as well. So these are kind of very cool looking sunrise wallpaper which is available. So you do get this kind of moments of the plants as well, that leaves falling down. As you can see friends, you get this kind of rainbow effect as well. And when you try to tap, as you can see, you can tap and you can try to play, and there's a deer going on in the bottom as well, as you can see. So this is a kind of live wallpaper which I'll be suggesting you for the day. And every day I'll be coming up with this kind of top 5 useful apps of the day, so make sure to stay tuned for more videos. So let's move to the another second application, which is called the wake up screen application, as you can see friends. So this is an application which is quite useful application. For example, when your phone is on the table and when you just wave your hand near the proximity sensor, it will try to detect the phone will be on, as you can see friends. So you need to be kind of close to the phone when you're trying to do that. So sometimes it does work, sometimes it doesn't work, but it's kind of very cool application. If you want, you can just try. So this application is very simple and very straightforward friends. So you just need to download and open and just click one button. That is a proximity sensor, that's it. So proximity sensor is enabled, and now you can just wave the phone and the screen will be open, as you can see friends. So clearly you can see I'm not touching the phone. As I said, sometimes it will work and sometimes it's not that consistent overall, but it's a very good neat application which is available right now to download from the Play Store. And the application number 3, which is called the circle sidebar. So in the circle sidebar, you do get this kind of option where you can select all the applications from the sites, as you can see friends. In this we will get all the list of applications whatever you install your mobile phone, and you can open those applications directly from this kind of circle sidebar. So these are very neat application friends, where you can actually access all this kind of applications which you install in your phone, as you can see here. So it doesn't matter which application you are in, there will be always a gesture which is present to the left side, so which is very much useful feature. But one thing is that when you're using this kind of applications which is a circle sidebar, you just need to be kind of careful, because if you use the full screen gestures and if you avoid the buttons, so every time when you side press, as you can see, sometimes it may cause a problem to this kind of gestures as well. So try to use the buttons when you're using this kind of sidebar gesture application. As you can see, just one swipe you will get all the list of applications which you install your mobile phone, and you can just scroll down and to get access. So this is a very good animation which I particularly like in this application friends. So just give it a go. So when you open the application, you just need to give the permissions for over display permissions and those things. So once you give the permissions, so in these options you do get this kind of triggering options as well, so where you can select different positions and dimensions, all those things. So even you can customize the sidebar as well, how you want, adding the shortcuts and adding the folders, added the app pair list. So there's a lot more in this application friends. Just give it a go and make sure to comment below what are your thoughts about these applications as well. So definitely I'll try to improve every day, trying to select the best of the application possible. So now let's move to the fourth application which I'm going to recommend. So where you are seeing this kind of music equalizer which is going on in the bottom, as you can see friends. So this is a very good attractive application which you can try in any Android device as well. So which is called the Movies, as you can see. So this is available in the Play Store as well to download this kind of application. So which will actually simulate this kind of equalizer in the bottom of the navigation buttons. So while you are playing the audio file. So right now I'm trying to play one of the audio file in the background in the phone as well. So that's what you are seeing, this kind of equalizer is going on right now. And once you download the application, you need to give certain permissions to the display over apps as well. So once you give all the selected permissions, and you do have plenty of customization equalizer options as well in this phone, as you can see friends. So there are so many effects which are for free, so not for the paid, so which are available for free as well. So this once you watch the free ad, then you can get for this kind of equalizers for free. and each ad will be about 30 seconds of duration, as you can see, friends. So 30 seconds of duration will be there, and if you want to access those, you can access those. And if you don't want to access so there is also one equalizer which is available for free as well, so where you can just click edit, and you can edit different styles how you want it as well. As you can see, friends, different styles, and you can customize one single equalizer which is available for free. You can customize those as well, and all the options will get changed in the bottom, as you can see right now, friends. So I did change the different theme, but using the same kind of method. So instead of just paying for the pro version, you can choose one free one which is available, and you can just customize as well different colors, as you can see, friends. So just tap on the edit, and you can select the height as well, how much height you want, as you can see, as much as high as possible, and select the colors. So what kind of colors you want, red color or blue color, as you can see, friends, in this way. So this is a kind of very good useful feature which is available right now. So you can try this kind of application, Movies, so which is available currently right now for free. So you can just create your own methods of equalizers as well, as you can see, friends. So this is a different kind of theme is going on right now in this phone, you can clearly see. So in this way, I'll be coming up with the different top 5 apps of the day, so make sure to stay tuned. And the final app is that iPhone Control Center iOS 14, as you can see, friends. So this is available right now in the Play Store as well for the free. So where you can get this kind of unique kind of same like the iPhone type control panel in the any Android device, as you can see, friends, right now. So in this mobile phone, what I'm trying to do is if I want to swipe from the top, I do get the normal control panel which is from the MIUI, and if I want to get the iPhone type from the bottom, as you can see, this is how you can access the bottom control panel. So this is a very useful application, friends, for me particularly. So where you can add individual applications as per your taste. So you can add your Google Chrome icon and all those icons as well. There's lot of customization you can do in this application. So this application, friends, once you enable and give all the permissions to the app, so there is an option to select the size as well, what is the size you want as well, as you can see here. So you can select the size, and you can move the bar as well wherever you want the position to sit. So right side or the left side, as you can see the small color which is coming. So let me try to make it a little bit kind of very dark. As you can see, a small bar which is available, so you can use that small bar as well. But when I'm trying to use the full screen gestures, I won't be using it the sideways, so because sometimes it might create some kind of problem. I'll use in the bottom, as you can see. So you just need to swipe a little bit, and you do get this kind of control directly from the bottom itself. So there's one case, and if you let me show you how you can actually add the applications as well. So if you go to this option called customize controls, and you do get plenty of controls over here, so where you can directly add the applications here, as you can see. So let me try to select a few of the applications, Android Benchmark and S4s, and there are some other options as well. So let me try to select Assistant BAGT, as you can see here. So let me try to show you, friends. So these are the applications which are added in the bottom, as you can clearly see. So in this way, you'll be able to add this kind of applications by using this kind of feature, so which is really good. Let me try to see how many apps you can add. I think you can only add up to 8 controls in this control panel, not more than that, as you can see, friends. So just give it a go, friends. These are the few top 5 apps of the day, and for more videos, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. So definitely I'll be coming up with this kind of unique Android applications every day as soon as possible. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.